Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell Printify on-demand products on your Shopify. Let's get started. So from in there, we just need to integrate the Printify right here. So let's head over to the apps right here. And then let's search in here for Printify. So once you have searched for this, you can see this one. So click on this. And then from in there, you should be able to see the actual seal or the actual up in here. So let's just click on install, and then once it has been clicked, it will actually direct you to the Printify dropshipping print on demand. So we can just wait for this to finish the loading process because in a few minutes it will actually redirect to the Printify or the Shopify ad in here in order to grant some access. So click on install right here, and then once you have done that, it will authorize this specific app in order to integrate this right here. Now, what we can do, as you can see, it's already been selected, and we can now see some settings that Printify has in store for our Shopify store. So we can just wait for this right here to finish the loading process. And in here, you can see that it will ask you to log into your Printify account. So I will just continue using my Google account right here in order to actually fasten the process of teaching you. So in here, I have actually logged in, and we have now this option in order to start the selling. So for example, you can just choose this mug right here. Then once you have click on that, you can see this mug that you want to add. So you can click on start designing right here. Once you have click on start designing, it will open this specific page right here, wherein you can actually put in the order or the specific design that you want added to your mug. So let's just wait for this to load. So as you can see here it is, just click on this upload option, click on your device, Dropbox or Google Drive, wherever your design is headed. So for me, I'll just choose this design of this look. I click on open, and then in here, you need to make sure that your file is actually valid. So you can just click on upload again, and then just try to see which one is actually valid in order to upload it. So actually, you have this picture right here that I can use to be or to sell this one. So in here, you can edit it out however you want. And then from there, just click on save product once you're done editing everything. Now, once you're in here, you can have here some options wherein you can select the SKU as well as the retail price and the profit for this. So in here, you can just head over and publish this one right here. So you can see your Shopify collections as well as the publishing setting as well as the pricing right here. And you can actually assign a shipping profile in here that we have earlier. So click on save. Now, once you have clicked on the save right here, you can actually see that it will allow automated order routing. So whenever someone else orders this specific mug on your Printify, it will actually allow you to make this. This actually works vice versa as well. If someone has ordered this specific product in your Shopify, Printify will actually do the product, create it, and then ship it to them without you or any hassle that they have. So make sure as well that this one is published right here in order to make sure that this actually see on your Printify. So you can actually keep individual product details or sync and publish select details for this one. So click on confirm, and then it will take some seconds in order to publish it. So as you can see, it's publishing right now, and once it's done publishing, it will actually show on your Shopify as well as your Printify account. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to learn this specific topic. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.